Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, students, today we are going to learn the pronouns and kinds of pronoun. Firstly, I take some examples. I talk about our friends. I frame some sentences about that particular friend. As I say, my friend's name is Lalita. Lalita is my friend. Lalita studies with me. Lalita loves to play cricket. Lalita shares her chocolate with me. Now, students, tell me, if it looks good to you, the sentence I have told about the friend. There is some mistake in this sentence. You should find out the mistake. What is the mistake? I am talking here. I am saying Lalita, Lalita again and again. So students, that is the mistake. It doesn't look good. So instead of using Lalita again and again, we used to replace them something with something, that is pronoun. So students, if I say the name again and again in a paragraph or about a particular person, I have to change the place. I have to place in first person. In persons we take first person, second person and third person. I have noticed that there are many people who get confused in first, second and third person. So let's take it very simply and easily. Okay, so the first person is somebody who is talking. First person क्या होता है? जो बात कर रहा है सेंटेंस में, जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है, that is first person. The speaker is called the first person, that is the subject. That is the subject, that is first person. Second person is who are I? Who am I talking to? जिससे मैं बात कर रही हूँ, वो second person होता है. As I am talking to you, जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, तो you are the second person and I am talking, so I am the first person. Now the third person will be the person I am talking about. जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ, वो होता है third person. So I hope now you have learned the difference between the first, second and third person. Let me give some example. If I say I need to talk to you, so here I will be the first person, क्योंकि मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, मेरे बारे में मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. I talk with you, so this is first person. And I need to talk to you. और मैं किससे बात कर रही हूँ? मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, you से. तो you. They bought themselves a new car. So student, this was reflexive pronoun. Now next is intensive or emphatic pronoun. So student, I have noticed that some students get confused between reflexive and emphatic pronoun. I will tell you what is reflexive or what is emphatic. Emphasis, firstly we should read emphasis. Emphasis means to emphasize something upon which we lay stress. Emphatic का मतलब होता है जिस पर हम कुछ जोर डालते हैं, स्ट्रेस डालते हैं, that is emphasizes. Emphasis pronoun होता है, वो emphatic pronoun होता है. Generally we get confused between reflexive और emphatic. Why? Becomes they are generally same. वैसे वो same होते हैं reflexive और emphatic pronoun जो है. Clean the room myself, जैसे मैं कहूँ I clean the room myself, मैंने रूम अपने आप साफ करा, तो यहाँ पर हम स्ट्रेस नहीं कर रहे, बस I myself को रिफ्लेक्ट कर. अगर मैं कहूँ I myself clean the room, मैंने यहाँ पर स्ट्रेस किस पर दिया है, मैंने किस पर ज़्यादा जोर डाला है? I myself पर रिफ्लेक्ट किया है. सो दिस विल बी emphasis pronoun, emphatic pronoun or intensive pronoun. So students, I hope you have it is clear to you the difference between reflexive and emphatic pronoun. I myself clean, that are used to add emphasis or called emphatic pronoun.